Welcome! In today's quick tutorial, we'll learn how to create a strike-through effect in Canva, perfect for emphasizing edits, showcasing discounts, or adding a stylish touch to your designs. First, open your design in Canva and select the text box you want to modify. Highlight the text you wish to strike through. Then, in the top toolbar, click on the S icon with a line through it. This is the strike-through button. Once clicked, a line will appear through your selected text, indicating a strike-through effect. However, it's important to note that Canva's built-in strike-through feature is quite basic. You cannot adjust the thickness, style, or color of the line. It remains a standard, uniform line across all text sizes. This limitation can be restrictive if you're aiming for a more customized look. To achieve a more personalized strike-through effect, consider using Canva's Elements feature. Navigate to Elements and select a straight line. Place this line over your text, adjusting its length and position to align with the desired strike-through effect. This method allows you to customize the line's color, thickness, and style, offering greater flexibility and creativity in your design. In summary, while Canva's default strike-through tool is straightforward and easy to use, exploring the Elements feature can provide you with enhanced customization options, allowing you to create more dynamic and personalized designs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing!